Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser 108A printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds, center it. In a property, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome, and here at the top in a search type HP Laser 108A driver, HP Laser 108 driver, and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open, and here we find our printer name HP Laser 108A. Here we find our operating system and the bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Go to the operating system with the Windows, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. After that, this page goes to refresh. After that, scroll down, and here we find driver product installation software. If it's not expand it, and go to this drivers. Here we find software and drivers. Click on this download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another HP official web page, and after that at the top our download is started. Here we find our download is started. It's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed. Wait for a few seconds and download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK. Now it's unzipping or extracting our files. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on this unzip folder, and here we find our setup file. Close it. Next step is we are going to install this setup file. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here, and if you find port name .4_001 HP printer device HP printer, then select that HP port. If you not find any HP port, then select USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port and click on the next. Here we find HAVDIX. Click on the HAVDIX. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, here we find our newly extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find printer folder name printer. Double click on the printer. Here we find SPL. Double click on SPL, and here we find some file. Select any file. I select this file. All file contains same drivers. Select file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find HP Laser 103, 107, 108. This is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name HP Laser 108A is also included. Select that printer list or the printer name and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I cancel it and go with the name 108A. I go with the name HP Laser 108A and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, find our printer name. If you find your printer name HP Laser 108A, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.